Today, I'm taking you on a walk in the forest. If I'm having a rough day, a walk in the forest might be the one thing that helps me clear my head. It's something about the smell and the sounds and how they make you more present. The magic of nature. Here, you can be yourself. There's no such thing as judgment, and time stops. You don't have to rush. You don't have to do anything. Just be you. Just be, and everything will fall into place. You don't have to walk for 10 kilometers. 1 kilometer can do wonders. Even just being there. Sit down and just feel. If you drive past a green area from work, stop your car and let yourself relax for 5 to 15 minutes. Walk around, sit on a stone, and do whatever feels right, even if that means climbing a tree. That's a joke, but if you wanna, you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.